What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. MIUI 12.6 OneOS weekly update is here. They told that they will release the build every Monday, and today is Sunday. Even they released yesterday night. So yes, something is really interesting here. They've added some features in this build which we're gonna talk about on this video. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till then. We have installed this on Redmi Note 8. It's available for other devices also, not every, but some 3 or 4 or maybe 10 devices. We have these things, and as you can see in the previous update, they already updated these fonts, and in OneOS settings they have included some extra options in this update. In the previous update, if you watched that video, that update also includes some bit of features, but in this update they've included some bit more features, including this disable low battery dialog. If you want to disable it, you can. Notification sound with screen on, which is a very good feature, which is by default enabled. You can disable this. If you move on to the about us and checkout, you can simply donate them. It's just up to you. I'm not sure if you will donate or not, but yes, the option is present for you. You can hide the Bluetooth icon, hide the alarm icon. Some bit of options are present for you, but here we have some other options where you can simply customize your home screen folders, like closing folders automatically 3 or 4. Number of columns in a folder 3 or 4. You can simply adjust this. By default 3, but you can make it 4. It's a very good choice for you. Not major customizations, but bit of useful customizations are present for you. In gestures and animation, you can simply turn to the previous application and how. Simply hold here, and as you can see, the previous application, which is a very good feature in AOSP based custom ROMs, but in MIUI you don't get, and in OneOS you have this feature. So as they included some useful features for you, and including that we have other features also which you can simply try it out on your device if you want to. Things are pretty much interesting and same, so if you want to give it a try, you can. This is OneOS weekly update, and the link for this weekly update is in the description. And as I previously mentioned you, I tried and I'm using it on Redmi Note 8. It's available for other devices also. If you have any other device which OneOS is officially weekly devices supported, you can simply give it a try. It also comes with some MIUI 13 features, MIUI 13 goodies for you, like MIUI 13 file manager. As you can see, this looks quite good, but yes, it's already included here. And including this file manager, you also have the new volume panel and power menu. Let me show you the power menu first of all, and this is the power menu. Wait, let me just show you the power menu. It was not working here, sorry for that. We have this volume panel and power menu. Let me just show you that this is a something interesting one. In the volume panel, you have this 4 style volume panel available, which you don't get in other MIUI based ROMs like Xiaomi EU or anything else, but here you have this feature, and these are 4 in this quantity or numbers, but if you get by default you get 3 only, and here you have 4. And in the terms of power menu, you have MIUI 13 power menu available for you, which is a leaked power menu. No one knows if it is actually in MIUI 13, but yes, the option is present for you. Also, the animations are quite smooth. After using it for some time, you will see the animations are quite fluid, quite smooth enough. Looks quite interesting one. Moving on to other things here, we have this video toolbox option also present for you. You simply need to swipe and you have this video toolbox, where you also get the upscale option, which will just increase the resolution of your device, which I think so should work. It also has a new UI. As you can see, we have the floating windows options present for you. You can simply enable this upscale option. Things are pretty much something interesting for you, and yes, as I previously mentioned, you very good choice if you are looking to install a MIUI based custom ROM on your device. Try out this build, you'll definitely love. And in terms of performance etc, I'm not sure, but yes, things are pretty much same, pretty much interesting. So yes, give it a try if you want to. Like this, of course, the new game turbo is also there, the new MIUI 13 style game turbo, which is of course in Chinese. The language is in Chinese, but yes, this has new UI. It's far more better than the previous one. A lot of users are loving it, and yes, it's present here too. And yes, if you want to access it, install the build, and you can simply use this game turbo on a device. Has all the features. You can simply see FPS, GPU, CPU, and extra features for you. In the terms of installation should be same like this one. So simply move on here, Dalvik Cache system vendor data. You need to swipe to wipe. It shouldn't take much more seconds here. After wiping all these partitions, and as this guide is for non-dynamic partitions by the way, just locate the file where you have downloaded that, swipe to install, and you are good to go. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
feel like I'm floating through the air.